Hello there, this is my GameSir controller G4s model, as you can see, and it looks completely dead. Even it's plugged into the charger, it's not responding. Nothing happens. It was on charging the whole night actually, and this suddenly happened. And to be honest, this is not the first time this happens. So I'm gonna show you how to fix this today. If it's your first time already, this issue have already happens to me like 2 or 3 times before. It's so easy to fix. At the very beginning I thought it's a hardware issue. The controller have something broke inside or something, but it's not. All what you're gonna need is a pin or a needle or anything that can fit into this little rigid hole. I'm gonna use this little pin in here. And we will keep pushing for like 5 to 10 seconds. Okay, let's give it a try. As you can see, the charging lights are now working. Let's try to start the controller. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So this is it, guys. Enjoy the game. Bye bye.